Hello guys, welcome back to another Lundy trading video. Welcome to analysis on Peloton, ticker PTON. Reason for this is one of today's leading gappers being up over 10% as we're recording this video. So to get straight into it, we can see that we're currently sitting around $12, which is quite a bit, about a 50% push from its 52-week low of around $8. Now, where are our targets going on Peloton? So really the closest target we have, at least an upside target, is around 1650, as that is the first deviation on the 4 hour. However, one kind of problem we're seeing on Peloton, as it went from such highs as we can see, just going back a year, it was at $120, and then, going back just a few weeks or even a week or so, we were sitting at $8. So a stock that's kind of moved that much, the deviations get very wide. And the problem with that is it means targets are so far away that it can kind of be hard to trade. Like even from now, if we were to push to our closest target, that is around a 37% move, which is obviously quite extreme. So we will go over the main standard deviation targets, and then we'll be looking at some closer ones if you're looking for shorter term swings or day trades. But if it was to continue higher, then $24, $28, $58, $39.75, $51.25, $92.50, and then a final one at around $127. So these are all going to be our standard deviation levels to the upside, meaning that if you're looking at targets on a long bias view and maybe over multiple months, and these are the targets we'd have more of a look at. And if we expect the stock to fall, what are going to be our targets to the downside? Really about $5, as that is statistical mean, and really I guess we can use these half deviations just because the other deviations are too far away, and they're around the the $6 and $5 mark. So really, if we expect to push down, that's where we expect it to go to. However, we do have some sort of support around this 1050, as that is the half deviation on the 4 hour chart. Now, what are going to be some closer levels that we can look at in more real time? I'm going to clear these just to make the analysis more clear, but these are the levels that we're looking at. Again, if you're looking at a longer term time frame, if you're looking at longer term trades, shorter term trades, then we're going to have to use smaller time charts to get more closer levels. So really we can go onto a 20-day chart, and then we could be looking at a target of around $12.10 and $12.95, and then at an extreme $13.75. So those could be our upside targets. We expect some support if we start pulling back down to around the 11.20, and then at 10.30 we'd really kind of stop looking to trade this stock, at least for the time being, because it is coming into its statistical mean, so direction can become a lot more unclear. And then if you're starting to find buy zones again, we'll be looking at around 9.40, 8.50, 7.60, and obviously at a very far extreme 6.75. So they're really going to be the main key levels that we're looking at. If you want even more, we can go into the 10-day. However, these are going to be a lot less accurate than the 20-day. So really, if you're looking to trade, we would just be focusing on the 20-day chart if you're looking for very short-term swings or day trades. And so yeah, we will kind of ignore the 10-day because it's just not going to be anywhere near as accurate. Kind of just stick our targets to the 20-day if you're looking for the shorter term trades. So anyway, those are the main levels that we're looking at on Peloton. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Hope to see you next one, and that's it. Peace.
Maybe I'm crazy.